ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಅರ್ಕಾವಳಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಬೈ ನೌ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ. I hope by now you know the basic letters. You can read the words, you can write the words and Kotani. If not, I request you to repeat the practice once again. I hope you have also bought the L1 book to practice, level 1 book to practice. Okay, so now let's start the concept called Arkavali or Arkavattu. So what is this Arkavali or Arkavattu? I am writing in English Arkavali or Arkavattu. Arkavali. So you might have seen the symbol like this in Kannada. So this has two meanings. So one of the meaning is number 9 and one of the meaning is, how do you pronounce this? Ar. Yes, it's a ar sounding. Okay, so today we are going to learn this ar sounding and how to write this, how to read this basically. Okay, so if you get this symbol in between the word, the sound should be like a ar. So you should not read it as a number 9 when you see this symbol in between the words. Okay, na? So now I'll take a word. Okay, so the word is, this is your word. Okay, so how do I read this one? And most importantly, observe this letter. To pronounce this, you need a support of not the previous letter. Instead, you need the support of the previous letter. Not this letter, but the previous of that letter. Okay, so if I remove this, so now you will read this as a kar. Okay, so I'll give one more. Var, mar, sar, gar. Okay, so this is how you should read it. Okay, I can also get a word like this. So wherever I am writing like this blank, so there you will get a letter. Okay, so that says this it won't be pronounced with the previous one. Instead, it will be pronounced with the previous of that one letter. Okay, so now I have write this. How do you read par? Then you have some letter. Okay, so this is how also it can come, but it won't come in the beginning. If you have like this, you can't read this. If you have like this, you can't read this. Only with this, I can't read this. Okay, so now let me try adding few letters. Kar, you already have kar. What is that letter? Ma. So together, karma. You can ask me, ma'am, can't I write like this, karma? Like this? No, you can't write like this because I already told you in the beginning, you cannot introduce, you cannot put half letter in between or in the beginning. Half letter should always come at the end of the word. So you cannot write like this. This will be the wrong. So to write karma, you can use the Arkavali or Arkavattu. Okay, we'll go with the next one. So how do you pronounce this? Var, ma, varma. Mar, ma, marma. Sar, pa, sarpa. Gar, ba, garba. Now, par, I am writing 3 here. Okay, so I am writing 3 letters. So how do you pronounce first, which is the letter par? After that, va. After that, ta. So together, par, va, ta. Okay, so next we'll go with one more. Sorry, there is some problem with my Bluetooth device. It's getting disconnected. Okay, so now, which is this? Dar, sha, na, darshana. Okay, now I'll write one more. Let's see if you can make it out. Var, ta, ka, vartaka. So this is the first one, second one, third one. Okay, I'll write one more later. I'll use this portion. How do you read this? Ar, da. I'll write one more. Ar, tha. Tar, ka. Comfortable? So now you can use the letter comfortably. Arkavali or Arkavattu. Practice this one. Find out the letters. There will be the letters with the Kavutta where you might feel difficult because we have not yet done the Kavutta. So learn this, read this, repeat for 2 days comfortably. Then we'll go with the next topic. We will be doing the words. Okay, na? So thank you so much. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing. Doubt idre message comment maadi or write an email. Thank you so much. Namaste.